morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day in JA. Lie. Why do I like to say that? No, we're not in JA at all. We're in France. Beautiful, beautiful Nice. But this morning, however, it is raining outside, girl. Raining outside, and today is Mother's Day in France. Today is June... What date is today, Tyler? 7? I think it's June 7. I think it's June 7. It's Mother's Day in France, which I know, but I didn't remember. It's a 7. I didn't remember. So the boys sneak out the house this morning while I was sleeping and went to my favorite bakery and bought my favorite croissant. And they got back and made eggs and bring me croissant and eggs in bed this morning. And I made you a card. And Tyler made me a card.
That says United Kingdom.
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the cards that he made me, and they didn't film, so I'll show you a picture that I snapped. I'll insert it and show you of my breakfast this morning. It was so sweet of them while Sarah and I was sleeping away. So that was my morning. I'm having a wonderful Mother's Day so far. Though it doesn't feel like Mother's Day for me. When I celebrate it with Jamaica, it feels like Mother's Day. But I normally celebrate Mother's Day twice for the year. When Jamaica celebrates it, and when it's celebrated in France. Anyway, you guys, everybody is up. I am in the kitchen making everything to eat for the day, because that's how I like to do it on a Sunday, because I have a lot of work to do on a Sunday. So I like to just knock out the kitchen and get it out of my way the first thing. So I am making dinner even before I figure out what will be on the lunch menu. So for dinner today, I am making some boiled sweet potatoes with some kind of veggie, which I haven't decided what it's going to be as yet. Then I'm going to make some ackee and saltfish to go with that. And I'm also making a little rice for Tyler.
And I'm going to make lunch.
Tyler says he's going to make lunch. So that's what's going on in my lab this morning. And I'm going to knock this out as quick as possible so that I can get some work done. How about you guys? Hopefully y'all are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, and stay safe. That's the ackee and saltfish just finished up. I have some broccoli and carrots here. I have some salmon here. I have sweet potato over here and white rice there. Deuces to the kitchen for today. My job here is done. Let me take this off of that side. Alright, food is in the house for the day. Nobody can be hungry. And the boys are over here. Boys, say morning to the faves. Say morning. Say morning.
Good morning.
What?
Tyler is excited because he's winning at the game.
I'm at the birthday cake.
Okay.
As you know.
Alright, I'm going to pick up Princess because she's not sleeping. Let's go look for the princess. Let me go for my girl because she decided she doesn't want to sleep. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? heard you in here singing all by yourself. Huh? You in here singing? What were you singing? Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Sexy. What were you singing in here? You decide that you're not gonna sleep? Hmm? Alright, come on, let's go have lunch. I heard you in here jumping in the bed from side to side. Hmm? I heard you. I heard you. She was supposed to be taking her morning nap, but obviously she's not up for it because she woke up a little bit late this morning when I was sleeping in. She doesn't want to take no nap. Say morning to the fave, Sarah. Look. Say, I don't want to take no nap. I don't want to take no nap. I don't want to take no nap.
Ouais, depuis toujours au dimanche. That's the visual and lunch for today. And I'm gonna grab hungry. You're so extra. Oh my god. She's waiting. You are so extra. Oh, it's just an accident. Yes.
You get hugs and kisses. It's okay. You guys, look at my boy. When he's obsessed with puzzle. His grandmother recently sent this puzzle a few days ago and he started it today. And he's almost finished all by himself. 150 pieces.
Yes.
Yes. You having fun?
Yes.
Every time when I pick up pieces, I make sure how I'm doing, not because I don't listen, it's because I make sure first before I put them. That's how.
Okay, sir. All right, have fun.
Thank you.
He's almost done. 3 Singapore to go. All by himself. He's almost done. 3 Singapore to go all by himself. Get it done. Good job. You're proud, huh? Well done.
Yeah. You take
Smart
the pictures
boy.
for Mama.
You want me to take a picture of you?
Yes, and then I can see.
Come sit here.
You have another one?
No, come sit here. You don't.
Babe outside trying to teach Tyler how to ride this big bike because this one is not compatible anymore. He's a big boy now, so they him grow out this one. So he have a big one that I got from a friend years ago.
Tu vas tomber sur les genoux.
So babe trying to teach him how to, and of course he have Paw Patrol helmet. Ready, that's babe plate and that's mine. Dinner time. He's already eating. He's having salmon. The end of the day here in my household and everybody's all fresh and ready for bed. Who's ready for bed? Oh, lie, not everybody's all
she's
fresh.
ready to bed.
She's going to get her
She
shower
is.
right now. Why are you beating me, girl? She's gonna get her shower and go to bed right now. Tyler already got his shower. Anyway, you guys, I am going to shower my girl and put my boy to bed because he already showered. Time for bed. Wait, you have 20 minutes so you can watch a little TV. Tell Faves night night.
Night night.
See you guys. Alright, you can watch TV until I come back. Okay? What happened to her? What you do to her? What Papa did to you? What Papa did to you? Yeah, tell me. Tell me what Papa did. Papa taking off your clothes. Look how she beating you. What Papa did to you, Pumpkin? What Papa did? You're just bad. You're just bad? Tell Faves night night. You just wanna beat her, Papa.
Au revoir.
Tell Faves bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.